In today's video, I will walk you through how to turn off slow mode in Discord. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord and navigate to the server where you want to turn off slow mode. Make sure you have permission to manage the channel. Next, locate the text channel where slow mode is enabled. Hover over the channel name and click the gear icon to open channel settings. In the channel settings, stay on the Overview tab. Look for the Slow Mode setting. You'll see a slider that controls the amount of time members must wait between messages. To completely disable slow mode, move the slider all the way to the off or 0 seconds position. With the setting at 0, members will be able to send messages without waiting between posts. Once you're finished, click Save Changes. The new setting will take effect immediately. If you want to enable slow mode again later, simply return to the same setting and choose the delay you want. And that's it. You've learned how to turn off slow mode in Discord by opening your channel settings, setting slow mode to 0, and saving the changes. And that's how to turn off slow mode in Discord. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.